controversy over Tilumala temple prasadam is getting bigger with each passing minute. The ruling TDP has now released the lab test report accusing the erstwhile Jagan Mohan Reddy government of inaction despite concerns that were raised by the temple trust. The lab report shows the usage of beef, lard and fish oil as one of the ingredients used to make the prasadam, which was then distributed to the devotees. In fact, Union Minister and Chief Minister's son Nara Lokesh has assured that the guilty will be held accountable for the prasadam adulteration. He also slammed Jagan Mohan for not keeping the sanctity of the temple intact. Now, this is a big controversy. Now, BJP has also jumped into it, and BJP has hit out at the YSRCP, calling the incident a massive betrayal of Hindus, and have now demanded that very strict action needs to be taken. In fact, Sena UTB Priyanka Chaturvedi has appealed no mercy against those who will be held accountable.
It's a very unfortunate incident. Definitely, as a state, we owe an apology to all the people, to everyone in India, not to all the Hindus, because Lord Balaji is revered across, not only across the states, but across the globe. It's very unfortunate that such an incident has happened. And under the leadership of Mr. Naidu ji and NDA government, we will ensure the best quality, zero adulteration will be maintained, and we will ensure that the sentiments of Hindus is protected.
This is an affront to the Hindu religion. This is an affront to not one Hindu, to Hindus who live globally, all over the world. A tradition which has been going on for centuries has been broken. And the prasadam, which is given to the Lord 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and night, has been mixed with this ghee.
देखिए कितना अनर्थ हमारे धर्म के साथ खेला गया, हमारे भगवान प्राचीन मंदिर को अपवित्र करने का षड्यंत्र किया गया। लड्डू यानी बालाजी भगवान, तिरुपति भगवान का लड्डू, बहुत ही लोग बड़ी ही शुद्धता से लोग प्रसाद ग्रहण करते हैं। टीडीपी की सरकार, चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद में जो जगन मोहन एक पापी मुख्यमंत्री था, आज तो खत्म हो गया, वो एक पापी मुख्यमंत्री ने हमारे मंदिर को अपवित्र करने का षड्यंत्र किया गया।
We are strongly condemning such a kind of irresponsible, arrogant governance against to the Hindu religion which happened during the YS Jagan Mohan Reddy governance. Apart from this, he always gave priority to divert the funds of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Jagan Mohan Reddy and his family members are not at all give a proper respect for the Hindu rituals and religions, traditions and customs.
It's a very bad thing happened in Tirumala history. We are very sadly condemning the issue that Jagan Mohan Reddy government wantedly damaging the sentiment of Hindu pilgrims, especially Balaji devotees, and we are filing a complaint against the Jagan Mohan Reddy and that TTD chairman Bhumana Karnaka Reddy and Subba Reddy.
बालाजी के प्रति पूरे देश नहीं, पूरे विश्व की आस्था वहाँ टिकी हुई है। एक परम पवित्र स्थान है, वहाँ पे लोग प्रसाद लेने जाते हैं सनातनी, और ये समझते हैं कि यहाँ से हमें शुद्ध मिलता है। लेकिन आप देखिए, जैसे थूक जिहादी हैं, जैसे मूत्र जिहादी हैं, कोई चीज़ में थूक के देते हैं, मूत्र करके देते हैं, उसी प्रकार से कहीं ना कहीं जगन मोहन रेड्डी ने एक थूक जिहादियों की तरह चर्बी जिहाद करके और हिंदुओं को धर्म भ्रष्ट करने का प्रयास किया है।